Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepanita's Creativity. In this video I am going to show you how to make mustard cake liquid fertilizer properly. Mustard cake is obtained from mustard seeds after extracting the oil from the seeds. Mustard cake liquid fertilizer making procedure. I take a measuring balance. There are two types of mustard cake in the market. Number 1 solid form. Number 2 powder form. But I prefer solid form because in powdered form there will be many impurities. I take 50 gram mustard cake. Take a pot, earthen pot or plastic pot. Avoid to using metal pot. I prefer earthen pot because it has many pores. Take 1 liter water. $50 mustard cake. Pour 1 liter water into the clay pot. Mix well with a stick. Then cover it with a lid and keep it in a semi-shaded area or in a shade. You have to stir it every day for one time. In summer, it will be ready in 3 to 4 days, but in winter, it will take 6 to 7 days. After 7 days, the water will be ready in the form of slurry. There will be a bad smell. Mix well with a stick. Then sieve it. This filtered liquid is mustard cake liquid fertilizer. It is an organic liquid fertilizer. It is rich in nitrogen, protein, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, potassium and phosphorus. Mustard cake's NPK composition is approximately 4:1:1. Means per 100 gram, 4 gram is nitrogen, 1 gram is phosphorus and 1 gram is potassium. This fertilizer is beneficial for garden plants and it provides many micronutrients to our garden plant. It also prevents many diseases and make your garden plants healthy. I use this fertilizer for two types of plants. 1 permanent plants, 2 seasonal plants. Number 1 for permanent plants. Take 1 part liquid fertilizer and 5 parts plain water. Mix well. Then use it to your plants. It is used to any types of outdoor plants. Avoid using it to indoor plants. It is an excellent fertilizer for boosting plant growth and enhancing flowering and fruiting. It is only used in a sunny day, not in a cloudy or a rainy day. Number 2 for seasonal plants. Take 1 part of liquid fertilizer and 10 parts of plain water. Never use this fertilizer without adding water otherwise it might burn your plant. In leafy plants, it can be given once a month. In flowering and fruiting plants, it can be given twice a month. Mix well. We will use this diluted fertilizer to our seasonal plants. Then give it to your plants. I am using this fertilizer to my cauliflower, broccoli, dahlia plants. You can use this fertilizer only on sunny day, and you should not spray this fertilizer to your plants. Moreover, this mustard cake liquid fertilizer is eco-friendly, so there will be no harmful effects on the plants.